Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the U-Haul Coupler Security Lock. Let's take a look at how to install it on the coupler. We'll begin with accessing our disc lock so we can set our own passcode into it. The directions inside will contain the passcode to input to open and set the lock. Input your word and the lock can be opened. Once opened, we can now initiate the reset locking feature. Use a flathead screwdriver to put it into the reset position. You can now input your word of choice into the lock. Once you've chosen your word, spin the locking cylinder and you've now set your lock to your word of choice. The shroud pin is going to come zip tied. Go ahead and cut this free. The shroud pin can be removed. You can now place the shroud over the drop and tow coupler with the locking area and shroud pin on the passenger side. Align the hole to the hole in the coupler. You can now insert your disc lock, spin your letters, and the trailer is now secure. Our coupler security lock has been engineered to work with our drop and tow style coupler. Once you have secured the locking mechanism, the trailer cannot be taken off the ball, as well it cannot be put on the ball, meaning we can use it in transit and we can use it with the trailer off the ball when not in transit. And that concludes our review, guys. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and I can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.